Today is the day we explore and see these people. See if they welcome us, see if they ignore us. We do not know what we're going to find. I've got backup.
Sorry, this sounds really hot.
Really? Ah, it's a shame. I was hoping she'd fall in. I was hoping she'd fall in the water. That would be quite funny. It's got a bit deep all of a sudden. That's all right. We're much closer to it than we are back with the others. How you feel, Izzy?
Feel good, yeah.
Cool, it's a nice view. You've got broken the old bridge there, the water. Oh, it's getting quite deep all of a sudden. You alright?
Yeah.
Do you wish you left your bag over there? Oh. Oh wow, it's actually much deeper here then.
I can't go down.
You can't? Alright, it's on me then. Wow. Wow. Oh, lost a shoe. Right. Ah, I'm coming for you, Izzy. Don't make me fall in either. Wow. No one's come out here yet and stopped us from using this thing.
I'll just jump off.
Right. If you see anyone, be nice. Right, so we've just pranked Aurore. We're going to leave her on this island to survive for herself. Lots of dangerous animals. Yeah, she's fine.
People are hilarious. Are we related? Oh no, you're not related to any of these people. I am.
Yeah.
Oh, I just hate your hands. A great video. Abandoned Moken village. Yeah, the trick is to not fall in the water. Some movements. This is where we see a big spear just finally and hit Izzy in the chest.
Yeah, no, yeah. Is that next one? Just see no one here. I think this is a school. Much quieter here. People don't visit this place often, maybe. Oh look, baby's foot. This is gonna go well. Buildings with not much activity. We'll go maybe that way. We obviously don't know what to expect. They definitely had people here before, so well, that's an adventure in itself. Just trying to get into the water and get everyone back across. Here we are. Little Superman or something. Is that a little Superman kid? Sawadee Krab. Hello. Oh, got Superman. Hello. Oh. Hello. Hello. Oh, lovely little welcome. Sawadee Krab. Yeah. Sawadee Krab.
last one.
Look at that. So by the looks of things over there, there's a man taking out his little baby boy, well baby, probably like 5 or something, into his boat for fishing. So it's very, what's what I'm looking for, traditional. Son goes out with his father to work, physical work. So he's going fishing with his dad. That's what it looks like anyway. Going fishing with his dad. Dad shows him how to fish. I know he's only 5, but it's just a much older way of life here. Basic, but true. There's more of the village just over there, but Sawadee-ka. Chickens under there. So I get the feeling that the locals here don't really want people going up there. They got the kids playing up there, and that's absolutely fine. I watch from afar. That's all I need to see. If they don't want me up there, I won't go up there. Absolutely fine. Pomshi Jason. Well, that's a very brief visit. Fortunately with these villages, you can only just seem to very quickly, briefly visit, but they don't speak English, and we can just about say hello in Thai, so it's not going to work. We can stay here longer, get to know these people truly, but we don't really know what these people are like truly. But it's just fun to say hello and see what they're like. Got the kids coming back. Hey! Sawadee-ka! Sawadee-ka! Pomshi Jason.
See? You can see? It's you.
Hey!
Kapkung kap. Thank you. Say sawadee kap.
Sawadee ka.
Sawadee.
Shops like sitting amongst the houses.
Sawadee kap. Sawadee.
Sawadee kap. We don't have a 10 baht. Oh, oh. Kids asking for 10 baht. It's sweet. I wish I could have spent a bit more time there to get to know them, but it's unfortunately a very brief visit. The kids are so sweet and innocent. Well, except for the ones that tried getting 10 baht from us, but apart from that, they're alright.
But you've got to.
Well, I've got to stand there.
Just balance the whole thing out.
Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh.
You visit.
No. Oh. Sawadee ka. Hey. Well, thank you for the boat ride across, children. Okay. Popcorn cab. You didn't see this in the UK, really. Wow. What on earth? Wow. Hello, girls. You jump. I think he wants me to film him. Go, go! Just be careful, crikey. Oh my gosh.
Very nice, very small.
I love what you're doing, but just be careful. Oh my gosh. Right. He wants me to film him. Here we are, and there's the latecomer. There he is. Oh.
Oh. Hey. Yeah. No, they'll be fine. God bless them. Woo! 1, 2, 3. Hey! Woo!
Absolutely unbelievable. Wow.